Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best CNC controller on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. HUNST Ruida RDC 6445G CNC Controller. The HUNST Ruida RDC 6445G CNC Controller is a cutting-edge tool designed for laser cutting and engraving applications. It offers smart device integration, optimized performance, and compatibility with various laser systems. The RDC 6445's model offers advanced functionalities for diverse manufacturing needs, delivering exceptional results consistently. Made in mainland China, each unit is crafted with superior quality and reliability. C certification ensures the controller meets international safety and performance standards. The HUNST Ruida RDC 6445G CNC controller is not just a piece of machinery, but a gateway to unparalleled precision and productivity, empowering both professionals and enthusiasts to achieve flawless results with every project. Number 4. DDCS V3 CNC Controller. The DDCS V3.1 CNC Controller is a versatile and reliable tool for milling machine applications. It offers seamless unit conversion between American and Imperial units, making it easy to switch between units. The handwheel MPG Master control page simplifies navigation through the controller's functions, from editing configurations to managing files. The DDCS V3.1 also introduces a trial cut function, revolutionizing single-line processing by allowing precise testing of cuts before full-scale execution. The controller has 4 versatile tool setting modes, catering to diverse machining needs like probing, edge finding, and tool length calibration. The optimized software performance ensures enhanced performance and reliability with significantly adjusted parameters and expanded configuration options. This controller is designed to meet machining demands consistently. Number 3. RichAuto DSP-A11 CNC Controller. The RichAuto DSP-A11 CNC Controller is a powerful tool in the field of computer numerical control (CNC) machinery. It features a powerful DSP CPU, ample internal memory, and intuitive monochrome LCD display, versatile communication ports, precise control over 3 axes, differential signal control, compatibility with various drive systems, exceptional resolution with a minimum input unit of 0.001 mm, comprehensive protection mechanisms, breakpoint processing functionality, manual mode flexibility, and advanced interpolation capabilities. The controller's internal memory of 512 MB allows for efficient storage of data and programs, while its 128/64 monochrome LCD screen provides clear and concise information. It also offers flexible connectivity options, allowing for data transfer and device integration. The controller's differential signal control mechanism ensures stable communication between the controller and the connected machinery, minimizing interference and enhancing signal integrity. Its manual mode allows for continuous point-to-point or distance-based movement and supports both line and arc interpolation for smooth trajectory planning. Number 2. G-Penny CNC Controller. The G-Penny CNC Controller, specifically the DDCS V4.1 model, is a versatile and reliable option for both beginners and professionals in the CNC machining industry. Designed as a CNC offline controller, it allows users to operate their machines independently of a computer, offering flexibility and convenience. Originating from mainland China, G-Penny machine has made a mark in the industry, providing advanced solutions for machining needs. The controller supports both 3-axis and 4-axis control with a 500 kHz control pulse output for smooth motion control. Powered by an ARM9 control chip, it offers efficient processing capabilities. The 5.0-inch screen enhances user experience and productivity, while 17 operational keys provide direct access to essential functions, simplifying setup and operation. Number 1. Startnow Trocen AWC7813 CNC Controller. The Startnow Trocen AWC7813 is a reliable CNC controller that offers exceptional performance for cutting, engraving, and other CNC tasks. Its model number, AWC7813, signifies precision-engineered precision. The renowned brand Startnow ensures reliability and quality craftsmanship. The controller is compatible with LaserCAD software, providing a user-friendly interface for CNC operations. It operates efficiently with a DC-24 V3A input power supply, ensuring stable performance even during prolonged use. The Trocen AWC7813 supports various file formats, including PLT, HPG, AI, DXF, DST, SPL North Carolina, CNC, BMP, and more. The controller also has C certification, ensuring it meets essential health, safety, and environmental protection standards for products sold within the European Economic Area. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.